Good evening. Anything that we discuss is going to be for educational purposes. I'd like to welcome you all to Digital Trading Floor. It's a platform where we disseminate financial data in real time to provide actionable insights. Objective for making this video is to analyze Nifty options, open interest data. We would be analyzing the index on multiple time frames and framing a view for tomorrow, 31st August. Apart from the index, we would also be discussing our stock watch list. So let's start by analyzing Nifty options open interest data. So for 2nd September weekly expiry contract, highest amount of open interest in calls is currently at 16,900 call strike, followed by 17,000 call strike. And if we see the puts, highest amount of open interest in puts is at 16,800 put strike, followed by 16,700 put strike. So for this weekly expiry series, we are trading in a range of 16,700 to the downside, as it is likely to act as a strong support, and 17,000 to the upside, as it is likely to act as a strong resistance. And if we see the change in open interest data, what happened intraday, you will see that highest amount of open interest addition in calls happened at 17,000 call strike, and in the money call strikes like 16,500 call strike, 16,550 call strike, 16,600 call strike, 16,650 call strike, 16,700 call strike, 16,750 call strike, and 16,800 call strike. They saw their open interest reduce. So it tells us that call option buyers, they book their profits, and call option writers of these in the money strikes, they book their losses. And if we see the puts today, highest amount of open interest in put happened at 16,800 strike. So highest amount of open interest addition apart from 16,800 put strike occurred in 16,900 put strike. So 16,800 is likely to act as a strong support based on the open interest data, and overall we are trading in a 17,000 to 16,700 range on the index. If we analyze the index on multiple time frames, you will see that on the monthly time frame we have been under control of buyers, as on the monthly time frame we are trading above the monthly open at 15,874 levels. And on the weekly time frame, today was the start of a new week, and the daily open as well as the weekly open are going to be the same. So on the weekly as well as the daily open, market was under control of buyers, as it was trading above the weekly and the daily open. So we had a situation which we call full time frame continuity, that is on all the time frames, monthly, weekly and daily, buyers were aggressive in lifting the offers. And if we see the price structure, we have been making higher highs and higher lows. So we are in an uptrend. So we get the potential scenario for tomorrow above 16,931. We can potentially trade towards 17,001 levels, and below 16,838 levels we can potentially trade towards 16,714 level. And the neutral price range for tomorrow is 16,931 to 16,838 on the index. And conservative trade would be to look for only buying opportunities above 16,931 levels. However, aggressive traders can also look for selling opportunities, although it should be only below 16,838 levels. If we analyze our stock watch list for tomorrow, the stocks that we have chosen, they have formed an inside candlestick pattern on the daily time frame. So our first stock is Oro Pharma. In Oro Pharma, we'll look for a buying opportunity above 717.85 levels, and aggressive traders can also look for selling opportunity below 705.9 levels. So inside candles are formed whenever there is an equilibrium between both the buyers and the sellers, and we look to establish a position if either side of the high-low range breaks. And if we see our next stock, Tata Chemicals, we'll look for a buying opportunity above 840.1 level, and aggressive traders can also look for selling opportunity below 831.9 levels. Third stock is Wockhardt Pharma. It's in a extended downtrend and it formed an inside candlestick today, so we'll look for selling opportunity below 396.15 level, and aggressive traders can also look for buying opportunity above 414.1 levels. And our final stock for tomorrow is Aptus. It's a recent listing, so it has formed an inside candlestick today. So we'll look for a buying opportunity above 358.1 level, and aggressive traders can also look for selling opportunity below 353 level. And I like to remind you that I would be sharing a long short bias stock watch list around 9:45 p.m. So do check that out when I would be posting that in a blog, and I would also be sharing that link on Twitter. So do stay tuned for that. Finally, before ending this video, I like to summarize that tomorrow above 16,931 we can potentially trade towards 17,001 levels, and below 16,838 levels we can potentially trade towards 16,714 level. And broadly speaking, we are in a 300 point range on the index, with 16,700 likely to act as a strong support and 17,000 likely to act as a resistance, and the max span has shifted upwards to 16,800 level. And our stock watch list comprises of Oro Pharma, Aptus, Tata Chemicals and Vok Pharma. And I'd like to thank you all for watching this video. Do hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to Digital Trading Flow YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.